If your kitchen feels too small for a full-size oven, but your air fryer feels too small for actual dinners, this might be the upgrade you've been waiting for. Because juggling a toaster, an air fryer, and a slow cooker just to make one meal, that gets old fast. Today we're looking at the Chef IQ MiniOven Smart Toaster Oven Air Fryer combo. And this is aimed squarely at busy home cooks and small families who want one countertop appliance that can actually replace several others. It promises 11 cooking functions, smart app control, and enough space to handle a 13-inch pizza, all without taking over your entire counter. So let's talk about whether it delivers. Right out of the box, the MiniOven feels more premium than most toaster oven air fryer combos in this price range. The black finish is clean and modern, and the edge-to-edge glass window makes it easy to see what's going on inside without constantly opening the door and losing heat. The soft close door is one of those small touches you don't think you need until you use it. It gently slows down at the end, so there's no slamming, which just makes it feel better built. Inside, you're working with a 25-core capacity. That's big enough for 6 slices of toast, a decent-sized chicken, or that 13-inch pizza. For small families, couples, or meal preppers, that's the sweet spot. It's not a full-wall oven replacement, but it's absolutely capable of handling everyday dinners. The control panel is a full touchscreen with haptic feedback and audio alerts. It's responsive, bright, and surprisingly intuitive. Even if you're not super tech-savvy, it's easy to scroll through functions like bake, broil, roast, air fry, dehydrate, proof, slow cook, and more. The temperature range goes from 70 all the way up to 500 degrees, which is wider than many basic toaster ovens. That means it can dehydrate fruit at low temps or crank it up for crispy wings. Where this oven really separates itself is the motor. It runs a 3,200 revolutions per minute DC fan, and in real-world use, that translates to faster preheating and noticeably quicker cooking times. Compared to standard air fryers in the same range, it can roast up to 30% faster. The convection is strong and consistent, so you get even browning without constantly rotating trays. And while it's not silent, the noise level is reasonable, more of a steady fan hum than a high-pitched whine. Now let's talk about the smart part. Paired with the Chef IQ app over Wi-Fi, you can monitor and control your cooking remotely. You can choose presets, adjust time and temperature, and keep an eye on progress from your phone. If you're the type who forgets the oven is on while folding laundry or watching TV, this is genuinely useful. It also works with the IQ Sense smart thermometer, which allows the oven to adjust cooking automatically based on internal food temperature. That's a big deal for things like chicken or roasts, where overcooking is easy. Cleaning is relatively painless. The oven includes a PFAS-free ceramic baking pan, air fry basket, wire rack, drip tray, and even a glide rack. Crumbs and grease collect on the removable trays, and most parts are easy to hand wash. Like any air fryer, you'll still need to stay on top of grease buildup, but nothing here feels unusually difficult to maintain. Now for the honest part. This isn't cheap compared to basic toaster ovens. If you just want to toast bread and occasionally reheat leftovers, you can absolutely spend less. It's also a bit larger than entry-level models, so if you have extremely limited counter space, measure first. And while the app is useful, if you don't care about smart features at all, you might not fully benefit for what you're paying for. Compared to similarly priced smart ovens, what you're really paying for here is speed, versatility, and thoughtful design. Cheaper models often lack the same fan power or app integration, and they don't feel quite as polished as, oh, who is this for? It's perfect for busy families, apartment dwellers without a full oven, or anyone trying to consolidate appliances into one smarter, more capable machine. Who should skip it? Minimalists who only toast bread, or anyone who already owns a high-end countertop convection oven? Final verdict. This is one of the most versatile and thoughtfully designed countertop ovens in its class. It cooks fast, it's genuinely useful day to day, and the smart features feel practical, not gimmicky. If you want something that can replace multiple appliances and actually make weeknight cooking easier, this is worth a look. Check the link in the description for current pricing. And if you found this review helpful, hit like and subscribe for more honest, Research back kitchen gear reviews.